Hi colleagues and friends. Now today we want to do a lesson on Chemutengure singing. Now so we did lessons on Chemutengure kushaura, three of them, and then we did another 3 on Chemutengure kutsinira. And then I posted some examples of excellent singing. Now the first one was from my friend Sekiwa Chingodza. Sekiwa is a versatile singer, and he can sing Chemutengure, the traditional parts, as well as many other different parts, and even parts that he's composed himself. And I posted that example. Then I also posted the old men, Samanyanga, singing. It was in a casual setting while we were discussing other things, and those were 2 good examples. Now my favorite Chemutengure renditions, I've said, it is Thomas Mafumo, especially the one he did at live at El Rey. But Thomas Mafumo has recorded Chemutengure maybe 4 or 5 times. One on the album Manungetunge, one on Sweet Chimurenga. I think another one is live at Afrofest, and he does it excellently with Mbiras and bass guitar, and sometimes with a full band. Now, the example that you can also look up on YouTube is Dumisani Maraire and Efat Mjuru. In that example, Dumisani was playing a karimba and Efat Mjuru was playing the Mbira Uru. But they sing, many different parts, including, some basic Chemutengure parts, as well as extend the lyrics into some other arrangements that they did. So I think there are many examples that you can look up on YouTube in terms of the singing. But what some of you came back to me is that yes, we've seen the examples, but that's different from teaching how to sing. And what I want to try and do, in this lesson, as well as the next one, is to teach. Is to teach how to sing Chemutengure. And we're approaching the singing as Mbira players, and so what you need, the 3 or 4 steps. One, you need a solid Mbira part, so that if your Mbira playing is good and solid, then you concentrate on the singing. And what I'm going to choose is this kutsinira part. You could also choose a kushaura part. And there are many ways of playing the kushaura part and even the kutsinira part. But what you need is a solid Mbira part. And then the second thing that you do is you identify the space, the time space. We divide our songs into cycles and phrases. So that is the first phrase, second phrase, and the 2 phrases make a complete cycle. So what you need is to identify where the lyrics are, because we are not composing here. We are just learning how to sing, and many people have already sung. So if you listen to Msekiwa, or if you listen to Dumisani Maraire singing, what you have to try and identify is where is he placing the lyrics. And so that's the second part, and I will show you. So when we play, so the singing starts here. When we are ending the first half of the first phrase. So when you hear it here, that's where you start the singing, and it continues to complete the phrase and extends into the next phrase. So this is just at least identifying where you start the singing. So that's important. Now then after you've done that, you don't start by singing the lyrics. No. You start, because the lyrics may take a melody and a rhythm that is different from the Mbira. So combining, the instrumental rhythm which you are playing as well as the singing, makes it difficult. So the way to cheat is to copy exactly how the mbira is going, just to position, just to mark that space where the lyrics go. And I'll do it by copying or by humming and following exactly what the mbira does. So you go dun, 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 dun. I'm copying exactly what the mbira is doing, and so dun, 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 dun. But when you get to the end of the first phrase, you stretch that note to get into the second phrase, and then when you do the second phrase, exactly the same point you do dun, 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 dun. The last part you stretch that note, and so that's what we're going to do. So let me do it. This we're going to call the first step. One, I will mark the points where the lyrics go by copying the mbira, and then once we're comfortable with that, then I change. So I start by dan 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 dan, copying the mbira, and then once we're comfortable with that, I can smoothen it to WOYIYE-E-E-E, WOYIYE-E-E-E-E, WOYIYE-E-E-E, and so that's the second part, and then the third part, then I can put in the word Chemutengure. So it fits in exactly that time space. Chemutengure, 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 Chemutengure. And then if we manage that, that is the first part that gets us to singing. So again, you need a solid mbira part. I'm going to play the kutsinira. You need to identify where to start the lyrics, and then you need to hum to following what the mbira is doing, and then smoothen it out to WOYIYE-E-E-E, and then you place in Chemutengure. So that's what we're going to call the first part. So let me start. Dun, 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 dun. 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 WOYIYE-E-E-E-E. Dun, 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 dun. WOYIYE-E-E-E-E. Dun, 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 dun. WOYIYE-E-E-E-E. Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E-E. Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E. Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E. Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E. Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. WOYIYE-E-E-E-E. 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 Chemutengure, Chemutengure. So that is it. That's the first part. Just getting the word Chemutengure, Chemutengure. Now in the first lesson I explained what Chemutengure is. This is a song to while up time, to while up distance. And so the historical explanation is that people were traveling, in wagons that were ox-drawn wagons, pulled by cows, ox-drawn. And so this is really, the movement of the wheels. You are going, and then the cows don't run. They walk, and then the wheels are going round and round, and you can imagine yourself sitting in that wagon, and the movement of the wheels. So the tempo is slowed down, and you're going guju, guju, guju. That's how you sing Chemutengure, 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 Chemutengure. It is that movement, of the wheels of the wagon. Now, once we've gotten to this part, then the rest is in that time space where we stretch Chemutengure. So it's Chemutengure. We're stretching parts of the word Chemutengure. In that space, you can then squeeze in more words. So what you can do, if you don't stretch Chemutengure, then you can add another word. So you could go Chemutengure mai. We were adding a word, but in the same time space. And then Chemutengure jeke, Chemutengure VAKO-O-MANA, in that time space. And where we want to get to is Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO. And then that is now referring to the wheels of that wagon. But Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, these are three words that we're squeezing into that time space where we're just singing Chemutengure. So let me do that, and get to Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO. So we're starting from dun 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 dun. Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure mai, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure mai, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure jeke, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure VAKO-O-MANA, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure VASIKANA, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, WOYIYE-E-E-E. Right, so this is the second step. So from Chemutengure, which is one word that is stretched to cover the time space. Now we've squeezed in another two words, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, in that same time space. And you can lock the song there. Imagine you are on the wagon and you are going, the wheels are going round and round. That's exactly what you are singing. Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, WOYIYE-E-E-E, Chemutengure mai. And on and on. You lock it there and you do it, several rounds singing that part. Now, the last part that we're going to do is once you've gotten there, then you can now, say a few phrases to do, with the driver and the driver's wife. Those are the lyrics. Now, the lyrics go exactly into those spaces that we've marked. They're a little more difficult to sing because these are now words that you kind of have to smoothen out as you sing. But they are, wanditi mchikairi wandione, how did you know I'm the driver of this wagon? And then And then your answer, I saw with your clothes that are full of grease. Grease was very important in the lubrication of the wheels. And then the driver's wife never runs out of butter. Mukadzi womutyairi haashai dori. They take that grease and use as butter, cooking butter as well as oil, lotion for the skin. So the few words that you can now squeeze in. But you start with Chemutengure, and then you find ways of squeezing another two words, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO, and then you get to that point of wanditi mutyairi wandionei, oye oye ndaona mabhurukwa azere dova, oye oye mukadzi womutyairi haashai doi, oye oye anotora. So let me do that part. Oye, oye, Chemutengure. Oye, oye, Chemutengure. Oye, oye, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO. Oye, oye, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO. Oye, oye, Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO. Wanditi mutyairi wandionei, oye oye, wanditi mukoki wandionei, oye oye, ndaona ndudzi zere dzinei, oye oye, ndaona hembe dzizere girisi, oye oye, ndaona shangu dzizere dovai, oye oye, mukadzi womutyairi haashai doi, oye oye, mukadzi womutyairi haashai doi, oye oye, anotora girisi yokurungira, oye oye, notora girisi yokurungira, oye oye, rinokambura rinozirai, oye oye, rinokambura rinozirai, oye oye, ndiyei mutyairi wanzai dodi, oye oye, ndiyei mutyairi wanzai dodi, oye oye, rinokambura rinozirai, oye oye, imjakakature hombai, oye oye, Chemutengure, Chemutengure, oye oye, tan 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 tan, oye oye, tan 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 tan, oye oye. So that is it. The lesson is one. You need a solid Mbira part. I've chosen a Gutsinera part. And then you identify the space, the time space where the lyrics go in terms of the phrases. And we've said we start by, when we play this note, that is where we start. And then to ease your singing in, you start by copying the Mbira, tan 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 tan. And then once you are comfortable with that, that's where you place the word Chemutengure. Oye oye, Chemutengure. Oye oye. And then you start squeezing in a few more words until you do Chemutengure VHIRI RENGORO. And then you say a few things about the scene. How did you know I'm the driver? I saw from your dirty clothes how did you know I'm the wife of the driver? That peanut butter that you're cooking from grease, and some of it using as lotion. It's a sweet song. It's a sweet song, and if you play it at a slow tempo like I'm doing, you can play it 15-20 minutes. Chemutengure, and you close your eyes and you imagine on that wagon, and then until you start saying things about the wheels, about the grease, about the driver, and the lyrics extend to a few other things. But for today, for starting this singing, I think that's it. We'll stop here. Thank you.